Welcome to Affordable Classics in Gladstone, Oregon. 1981 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a special edition. Y84 WS6. It's got the Trans Am turbo rims. Beautiful paint. All the right stripes, the nice emblems, T-tops, can't forget that. This car has been well taken care of. We have a lot of receipts. We have many receipts on the restoration. Beautiful lines, rear defogger, all the stripes across the way it should be. Doesn't get better. This is very well maintained. As you can tell, door panels, dash, no cracks. The interior is impeccable. Console, everything. Rear seats. The black paint is just over the top. Chuck, take a picture of the roof. Just very nice. Very nice. The best part. Here you go. .301 4.9 turbo. Has air conditioning also that blows cold. It's the data plate. And the VIN number. This is the matching number car. Very nice, got tilt, cruise. Those are correct miles, 91,000. Oh, Mario, also show them the glove compartment. It has power trunk, which is just open. Original spare. This is very desirable. They didn't make too many of these. The best part, turn the key, just go. T-tops, of course. All the gauges are working. Even the clock.
Turbo gauge.
Turbo lights, everything works. Cassette.